16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Didn't hurt a bad wrist. So this is my seventh. This is my 7th time here.
Yeah, and you haven't got a single podium.
Listen to it chirping away in the background. I think I can get one this year either.
Lift it up.
No.
Lift it up.
Being dramatic. Did a knee slide and then did my ankle like this.
1 to 3. Welcome to hell.
Oh.
I think today is gonna be the hardest of all the days, besides for the rain, of course. I'm so tired. And we're all feeling tired. Tired. I think I'm already so tired, and I have already, starting to go crazy a little bit. I'm starting first. Definitely happier. But still there are 2 more days to go, so just keep the good momentum going and fight until the end. I think mentally day 3 is the hardest anyway, just cause you don't have the last day affected day 4. So we got 2 days behind us now, and we're all feeling tired and sore. So we got to get through today, and I'll just focus on trying to catch the guys in front of me. Keep motivated that way. It's not easy to think about it, but at the same time I am healthy. I am ready good. On day 2, I went back to the hotel, and I started looking a little bit, but for my left eye, I went to the hospital and they took me there 6 hours. Low blood pressure, low magnesium. Today okay. Tired, but I will start. Good morning, everybody. Off-road day 3 here in Romania. The guys off the start this morning in the straight into a 3-lap live section. So temperatures, pretty cold this morning on the road for me, but the guys are gonna love that. The temperature is riding absolutely bang off. They are off. Off-road data winner. Theo Kavakiv rockets from the start. Immediately, then he floors it. After the first few checkpoints, he owns the time, lead for the day. But Kavakiv is dissatisfied with second. Behind him, Billy Bolt and Trystan Hart are banging it out for 3rd place. Well, everybody, this is so serious. Remember, it's day 3. Everything's tired on the body. The bikes are out to hard time to know as well. But yeah, they have got this to do. Remember, this is where the moose and tire is going to make everything possible or not possible. If you're too hard today, you're done. You are going to use too much energy. As time ticks away, the course becomes increasingly savage on the hardest day of Romaniacs riding. Currently, Billy Bolt is 3rd for the day. His goal to finish ahead of Trystan trails and 4th. Hart is doing whatever he can to hold on to 2nd position overall at Romaniacs. And his Bolt is losing momentum.
Take it easy, old Bill. It's sketchy. Okay?
On top of that, another rider is going to affect today's outcome. It's Mario Roman. He's full gas and climbing his way through the ranks. Further back, riders are now fighting at any opportunity for podium contention. It hurts me seeing them struggle so much. You know what they've been through to this point. Graham Jarvis is currently 10 at this point. He has basically zero chance of reclaiming his 2022 title. But in true silent fashion, he's still fighting at 48 years old. Come on, Graham, you can do it. Ahead, yep, younger talent are battling for the lead. And joining that mix is Mario Oman, speeding his way in a second. The goal now. Gold or silver medal that Romaniacs. But the time gap in old likelihood is way too much.
I was tired on the first day. The first day killed me. And then it was just kind of survival mode. It wasn't really racing like it should be. Trying to find the energy to get through.